In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a different version of ChatGPT. This is a quick walkthrough that shows you exactly where to click and what to expect as you switch between versions inside the ChatGPT interface. Start by opening ChatGPT and focusing on the very top left of the screen. You'll see the current ChatGPT version displayed there, alongside a small downward-facing arrow. That label and arrow together act as the version switcher. It's easy to overlook, but once you know where it is, the process becomes straightforward. Go ahead and click that label or the arrow next to it. A menu will open, listing the versions available on your account. Depending on what your account includes, you might see the default option and, if you're eligible, additional choices such as ChatGPT Plus. The exact names in this list can change over time, but the idea is the same. You pick the version you want to use from this drop-down. Next, select the version you prefer by clicking on it. When your account has access, ChatGPT will switch to that version and apply it to your current session. You'll usually notice a subtle update in the interface, such as the version label at the top changing to reflect your selection. That's your confirmation that you're now using the new version. If you click on a version like ChatGPT Plus and your account doesn't include it, the switch won't complete. For example, on a test account or an account without an active subscription, selecting Plus won't actually change anything. In that case, the interface will keep you on the version you already have, and you can continue using it without interruption. A quick recap: look to the top left, click the version label with the small arrow, choose the version you want, and the app will switch if your account allows it. If it doesn't switch, it simply means that version isn't currently available on your account. There's nothing else you need to configure for this process. A few helpful notes as you do this. Switching versions affects how new replies are generated, but your existing chats remain in your account as usual. Features and response behavior can vary slightly by version, so it's perfectly fine to switch back and forth when the option is available and see which one best fits your task. And if you don't see additional versions listed, that just means you're on the default setup for now. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently change to a different version of ChatGPT.